Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna explain you what does nudge mean on TikTok. So I'll be explaining step by step on what it actually means. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So unfortunately, the TikTok application is banned in my region. I'm unable to show you the exact procedure. All you can do is just listen to me or follow the instruction. So basically, navigate to the profile of someone you want to nudge. That means according to TikTok, nudging someone from their profile will give them a notification. Someone wants them to go live and you'll get update on it. So if you're wondering how you can go ahead and use this nudge feature, is that you just have to go ahead and log in and press the profile icon from the bottom right hand side corner and go to the notification bar from the profile page. When you press on it, then you just have to go ahead and select get recommended live notification, and when you've actually selected it, under it you should be able to locate this option as nudge. Go ahead and press on it. When you've actually done that, go to your profile one more time, and then you just have to go to the foot icon from the profile one more time of that particular person, and then you could go ahead and select the person or the profile that you wish to nudge. So click on the nudge button and you'll have successfully done that. So that is what nudge means on TikTok. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.